Welcome back to 50 Car. What happens when a legend transforms into a new breed? The 2025 Chevrolet Corvette Truck blends the ferocity of a sports car with the utility of a truck, creating a machine that defies convention and inspires curiosity. At its heart lies a 6.2-liter V8 engine roaring with 500 horsepower, ready to tow and haul while delivering that iconic Corvette roar. With a maximum speed of 160 miles per hour, it bridges adrenaline and practicality in one stunning package. The exterior design is an aggressive dance of sharp lines and aerodynamics. Its bold front grille and muscular stance turn heads, while the truck bed ensures functionality. Advantages: eye-catching design, versatile utility. Disadvantages: reduced cargo space compared to traditional trucks. Inside, the dashboard and cabin exude sports car luxury. Premium materials, a 12-inch touchscreen, and advanced tech create an immersive experience. Advantages: luxurious feel, cutting-edge infotainment. Disadvantages: limited rear cabin space. Performance-wise, the Corvette Truck accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds. Its adaptive suspension ensures precision handling. Advantages: thrilling performance. Disadvantages: fuel economy trails behind smaller trucks. Offered in daring colors like torch red and metallic black, it starts at $85,000. Ideal for buyers aged 30 to 50 seeking a vehicle that combines adventure and style. Competitors include the Rivian R1T and Ford F-150 Lightning. Driving it feels like commanding a beast tamed for the modern road. The thrill is undeniable, but urban maneuvering can feel tight.